Welcome to Hummingbird Hollow, dear traveler. I invite you to join me for a guided meditation centered around finding peace and reconnecting with ourselves after stress and worry. While this is best experienced outside amongst nature, participating from home or somewhere where you won't be disturbed is fine. Once you have found your spot, go ahead and settle into a comfortable position, either sitting with your back supported or lying down. Allow your body to rest fully on the surface beneath you. If it's comfortable, close your eyes. Otherwise, find a point to focus on and keep a soft gaze. Bring your awareness to your breath. Don't try to change it. Simply notice it. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, the subtle rhythm of your belly expanding and contracting. Listen to the rhythm of your heartbeat, just for a few beats. We are going to begin by taking a slow, deep breath in through the nose and letting it out gently through the mouth. Again, in and out. Letting the rhythm of your breath become your anchor. Imagine that with each inhale, you draw in the calm, and with each exhale, you release the tension. When your mind begins to wander, and it will, gently refocus on the breath and let those thoughts drift away. There's nothing you need to do right now but be here in this moment, fully present. In your mind's eye, see a soft path opening through a quiet forest. The trees rise around you tall and steady, their leaves shaking gently in the wind. The forest floor beneath your feet is soft and alive, moss and earth giving you support. Feel the weight of your body fully grounded. Imagine gentle roots growing from your feet, sinking into the earth, anchoring you. With each breath, feel the calm energy of the earth move upward through these roots, carrying stability and reassurance. If any thoughts arise, notice them without judgment, but imagine them like clouds passing through the sky of your mind. There, but slowly drifting away. Notice the sounds of the forest, the soft rustling of leaves, a distant bird call, or the whisper of the wind moving through the trees. Smell the earthy scent of moss, damp soil, and fresh foliage. Feel the air on your skin, gentle, cool, brushing your arms and cheeks. Allow your senses to anchor you here. The forest is safe. You are safe. Let your body absorb this calm, letting it move through you with each inhale and releasing tension with each exhale. I want you to bring gentle attention to your heart. Feel its natural rhythm, steady and true. Imagine a soft, warm light glowing there, a light of calm, care, and inner wisdom. If worry or stress rises, picture it as a leaf floating on a slow stream nearby. Watch it drift, carrying the tension away with it. There is no need to grasp or fix anything right now. Simply observe and allow it to pass. I want you to repeat silently to yourself, I am safe. I am allowed to rest. And I am here fully. Feel the warmth of this information spreading through your chest, softening your shoulders, relaxing your jaw, and settling into your body. enter a small clearing ahead, bathed in soft sunlight. In the center is a calm pool of water, still and reflective. Step closer and notice its quiet steadiness. Gently imagine dipping your hands into the water, letting the calm energy flow into your body, dissolving worry and tension, leaving you lighter, steadier, and more at peace. Stay here for a few breaths, allowing the serene energy of this grove to fill you and nurturing both your body and your mind. Softly begin to return your awareness to the present moment. Notice your breath, the feeling of your body, and the support beneath you. When you feel ready, gently move your fingers and toes. Stretch if it feels good, and softly take a final deep breath in. Let it out slowly. Gently open your eyes when you are ready and take in your surroundings. Notice what you see, smell, hear. cultivated here, and know that you can return to this grove, to this peaceful forest path anytime that you need. Thank you for being here, and farewell, my friend.